Hi guys, it's Alan and Michelle from Travel Bug TV. Yeah, we've done a bit of a Christmas special for you this time. It's going to be in 3 parts, a starter, a main and a sweet. We're going to take the recipe out of the Slimming World book because we've been doing Slimming World for the last 12 weeks. The weather's been atrocious outside there, so we've not been able to get any filming done in the van. So yeah guys, yeah, it's true, we've been doing Slimming World for 12 weeks, haven't we, Michelle?
Yes, we have, and in that time Alan's lost 2.5 stone and I've lost nearly 2 stone. So it really works and you don't feel hungry and it's fantastic.
So why are you wearing your Santa's outfit then, Michelle?
Oh, I'm wearing it out. We were talking about it last Thursday at Slimming World, and we're having a good laugh about my Santa's outfit, etc. That I couldn't fit into it last year. So as you can see, I've managed to get into it.
So Michelle and everyone at the Padgett Slimming World group, there it is, she has fit into it. This is one very happy little Santa's helper. Yeah. We're going to get to the cooking now and we'll catch you all later. Just hope you enjoy it guys. If you do enjoy it, please hit thumbs up, please subscribe because it really does help our rankings in YouTube videos, etc, etc. So please, let's get on with the cooking.
Yay!
Yay! Parsnips and carrots just diced up to about 1/2-inch pieces. Yeah, on this plate, Michelle, we've got on that plate there, Chuck.
We've got tomatoes, onions, garlic and ginger.
Yeah, absolutely. And in the bowl we have, oh, there's just a load of mixed spices in there. You like cumin seeds, mustard seeds, etc, etc. What I'll do is I'll put a link of the full recipe in the description below for anyone that wants it. What we're doing now then is in our beautiful, if you can see it there, I promise you that is clean, okay? And so just get yourself a nice little baking tray. This spray oil that we use it's called light fry, yeah. So just give 3 or 4 sprays in the bottom of that tray. What we're going to do then is we're going to throw everything in on that tray. We're going to bang it in the oven at, as you can see there, you can see that. We'll bang it in at 180 degrees C for 40 minutes. That's with a fan oven. Okay, we're just going to pop it into there, as you can see. We'll do that for you now, and then hopefully 40 minutes later we'll get to the next bit where we're going to blitz it all up. What we're going to do, we're just going to put all the parsnips and onions on. Just rub them about as well. There we go, that's the other one. So it's quite a lot of it. It serves 4 people this, okay? And again we'll just throw all this lot in. That's your tomatoes, garlic, ginger, onions. Just throw it all in. Yeah, just spread it around a little bit. Same with that, and then all the spices, just mix these up. So I'm just going to mix them up like that, yeah, I don't know whether you can see that. And then we'll just sprinkle these all over. And that's it, we get all the nice spices in there. So you'll be popping them mustard seeds, you'll hear it banging in your oven. Can't beat it when it's banging in your oven, can you, Michelle?
No, that's so.
That's the one.
Yeah.
So, just throw all that in there. And again, with this light fry, we're not sponsored by light fry, it's just really healthy for you. You don't need all the oil. So give all that liberal spray again to that, over the top. Get your hands in, nothing better than getting your hands in. And just toss it all around. Okay, make it all mashy and mishy. Okay, that's beautiful that. Right, just throw it all over. So everything gets a little bit of a coating of the oil and the spices and whatever. Throw all that in. Okay, don't forget to wash your hands. Yeah, so we try and do everything as best we can. Nice little tea towel there, we'll just take that off there. And now what we'll do, we'll just bang this in the oven. As I say, it's 180 degrees C this, and it's going to go in for 40 minutes. You won't even have to touch it, just be careful. So if I just put it down there. And voila, 40 minutes later, we'll come back. Okay, alakazam. The veggies had 40 minutes in the oven. I'm just going to take it out now. Actually, I'll just switch that off now. There we go, so the oven's off. So that's, prefer to repeat myself, that's 40 minutes, 180 degrees C with a fan oven. Okay, just bear myself that, a bit of steam coming out of there now, there we go. So, let's just have a look at this, see what we've got. Oh, that looks fantastic that. I'm just going to zoom in on that, Michelle, for me. Just come around there and have a look at that.
Wow. That's looking fabulous, that.
Okay, so what I want to do with that now is we'll take that out without burning my hands, hopefully. Okay, just put it on me. So we don't burn our countertops, just to go and trim it there, makes it nice and easy. Always look after your countertops, they cost too much money. And then, right, we're going to transfer the veg now into this pan. It is a big, it's miles too big for 4 people, this, but it'll still do the job for us. So just bear with me a sec when I get me, I'll use a knife actually, it won't make any difference. We've got a litre of chicken stock, okay, so just your box standard chicken stock, it's a nice litre of that. We're going to pour that over the top of all that. Okay, like I say, this pan is miles too big for this. You want one half the size of this, even a quarter of the size will probably do it. But I'm going to go with it because that's what
Lovely. I should have smell of vision. Gorgeous.
So as you can see, the stock's just covered that there now, so that's going to have 10 minutes bubbling away. We'll bring it to the boil and then just turn it down to a simmer and just simmer it for 10 minutes, okay? And once it's simmered, then we'll take it to the next stage. We'll blitz it up, etc, etc. But yeah, nice and easy. 10 minutes at that and away we go. So it's just simmering a little bit now, we've turned it down. It's not got long to go now, a few more minutes. So just season it now, some salt. Not too much salt, and the pepper, you can have as much black pepper as you want. I love loads of black pepper, so I'll take it from there. At this point, and we'll just stir all that back in there. Seasoning's the key to everything. Make sure everything's seasoned. We'll give that a few more minutes there. Just a bit of a taste actually. Shall we just have a bit of a taster? Oh, that's really nice, that. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, a few more minutes of that bubbling down, and then we'll blitz it up. Okay, guys. So yeah, we're getting there. So we are. Bubbling away for 10 minutes now, just simmering. Then we just let it cool for 5 minutes. Just let a bit of a cool down. So it's had plenty of time to do that now. So what we'll do now, we'll just take it off here and put it on this little bad boy so we don't burn anything. We'll get our super implement now, okay? Getting rather warm in this oven with this hat on. Well, there you go. Things I do for you Slimming World people, and all you Volkswagen people as well, come to think of it. Right, okay, so this is just a blitzer. We've all got loads of these, haven't we? Just watch your fingers on that. So we're going to put this in the bottom and hopefully we don't get splashed up. As you can see, what I've done here is I've transferred it to a smaller pan. The reason I've done that is the bigger pan was too big for blitzing it up. I was chasing it all over. It should have been here till next Christmas, let alone this Christmas. So, yeah, I'll just carry on blitzing it off. I'll finish it off here and you can have a quick look at it. As you can see, the consistency of that, I don't know whether you can actually pick that up or not. So it's a nice, really thick, chunky soup, this. It's really nice. So what we're going to add to that now is we've got the juice of half a lemon. So we'll just add that in. Okay, we'll give it another blitz. I'm going to take most of this, like 3/4 of this, and I'll actually just sprinkle. This is coriander, chopped coriander. I'll get that and just get myself my spoon. Here it is. Can't find it. I'll just stir that in. Nice fresh herbs, and everything's fresh. Like I say, the recipe to this will be in the description box below, so you'll be able to click on a link for that. what we need to do now, once we've stirred that in there, we just need to do a little bit of a taste test. And to be honest with you, it doesn't need any more salt or pepper. That is absolutely perfect, that. But I wouldn't expect anything else with my cooking. Okay, so
there we have it, Michelle. She's still got a Santa's outfit on, so I'm absolutely delighted. So what we've got there now, Michelle, is a spicy parsnip soup, Slimming World style, served with a garlic yoghurt dip. What else are we on there? Shredded spring onion and red chilli. So what's it taste like, Michelle? Let us know what it tastes like.
Lovely, absolutely beautiful.
So an honest mark out of 10, and I don't care if it's 2, but I'd love it to be 10, but what do you reckon it is?
9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10. So there you go. Slimming World, you can eat as much of it as you want. So get it down your necks. And anybody else, all I can say to anyone, the groups that we've been to, it's one of the highlights of our week every Thursday. We love going down there, seeing these people. We make some wonderful people. Wonderful. So yeah, that's the first course that we've done. And we'll crack on with the other 2 courses over the next few days, and we'll get this video out to you. So don't forget, Michelle, what is it? It's
thumbs up.
And don't forget to
subscribe.
Okay, because it really helps us, okay? And drop any comments in the description box below on our YouTube channel. Please just, if you want the recipe, that's where it'll be. So please just hit us up, like, subscribe, and enjoy your soup. So it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from